Cyanotype. Basically what it is they call this a blueprint. And I don't know if you remember in the olden days they used to have architectural plans which they called them blueprints because they were always coloured in this particular blue stuff. That's because they wanted to have a lot of plans really quickly on a low budget basically, and so they made up this solution that would bleach lines. Anything that you cover will get bleached by the sun. So this one I just did the other day really quickly. It's just to show you examples of it. So you can cover your piece of paper with little petals, flowers. These as well was just with a piece of fabric like some jute, and these were cut out stencils. So I want you to play around with cutting out stencils. These were just from the inside of a hole puncher. If I use a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of solution A first, 1 teaspoon of solution B, mix it a bit, bring it into your dark room, use your special brush, paint the solution onto your paper in the dark, and then pop it down here. Put them in there for a while until they're dry. Once they're dry, come and collect them, and then you can put your own thing on. This is a great time for it.
It will feel like it's the highest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sort of 10 till 3 is sort of a really good, yeah.
Yeah.
Focus. Yeah. Next we're going to dump them in water. The second bucket, hydrogen peroxide.